Hey, this is Dad Random, and I am at I'm kind of staying away from this event here because for a friend, he asked me if I would do some recording of this barbecue cook-off. It's a steak cook-off, and it's sponsored by Traeger, so it's really cool. So what I'm going to do is get some film for him and do a little fun promotion for him. Now, if you're interested in doing this kind of work, there's a lot of ways you can get compensated for it. All I'm taking is for doing this job is things like rubs and spices and things like that. And it helps me kind of build my brand, and it helps them, and it's really simple to do. So what I'll do is I'll take some footage, take some clips that they can put on social media, and then they can take those clips and promote their business and their event. I've checked the area. We've got good weather today. I don't have any FAA issues. There's no restrictions, and we can pretty much fly all we want. We do have people though, so since we do have people, I'm going to use the street. Make sure there's no cars as I do this shoot. I did a walkthrough. All right, so here we go. Dad Random at the Traeger sponsored barbecue steak cook-off here in St. George. And once again, bam, here's the logo that's coming up. There it is right there. And this is the business that I'm sponsoring or helping out today. So here we go. I'm going to throw the Mini up today. I'm going to get some footage with the Mavic Air today. Both of them are really good. I brought the Mavic Air just in case it got too windy. So if we had a lot of wind, I would put this one up instead of the Mavic Mini. It's a little bit more robust when it comes to really stiff, sustained winds. If I had even more wind, I'd probably have a Mavic 2 up today. Mavic 2, pretty much, I think they're rated for Class 8, which is, I think, around 30 to 40 mile an hour winds, and that's where you just gotta, cut it off. I've seen people fly the Mavic Air 2 in 50 mile an hour winds, so. But it's beautiful today. We got a nice breeze, and we're going to get some footage of the tops of the tents and help out a friend, and of course get a little bit of shameless self-promotion for Dad Random's channel. All right, here we go. Let's film.
And then so I'm going to put some hoisin sauce in, and it'll look like mud.
Here at the barbecue pit stop, doing a little drone footage. This place has got everything. It has a complete one-stop shop for grilling supplies, everything, rubs, different types of grilling devices. They do cooking demos. Really cool place.
Very nice.
Dad Random at the barbecue pit stop. All right. Too bad I couldn't fly this over people. That would be fun. Later, Dad Random.